Hello and welcome back to Harper's Ferry Weather, and I am doing a video right now, and I will be making probably a few other videos later on tonight and tomorrow morning, because we have a blizzard coming in. There was a winter storm warning. They switched it to a blizzard warning just this morning. We're expected to get 10 to 16 inches of snow. But watch this. Yeah, a mudslide tipped over a train. That's pretty awesome. But I don't own any of these rights to this video, so CNBC, I'm not making any money off it. So, but yeah, we're expecting 10 to 16 inches of snow and 35 plus mile an hour wind all throughout tomorrow and this morning. Well, not this morning. Sorry, brain fart. I just woke up from this night tomorrow morning, so it's gonna be pretty bad. So yeah, hopefully they show like the winter storm watches and all the warnings and stuff like that, because it's pretty colorful on the map. But they have like winter storm warnings and blizzard warnings stretching from like Colorado all the way to Wisconsin. So that's a long ways, but I'm gonna make it a few videos showing it, and he's gonna show us all the watches and warnings right now.
We've got watches and warnings that spread across 16 states, from New Mexico all the way to
See, we're right there.
We're talking about blizzard warnings in
We're right up there.
Kansas,
Right there, right by the end.
two parts of southern Wisconsin. Now, take a look at what we've got going on here. This system getting itself together. A lot of heavy snow today. Into Iowa, on into Wisconsin, and parts of Michigan, on into parts of the upper Midwest. Up to a foot of snow.
Yeah, we're just below 12 to 18. We're just below it. We're like right here. It's like we're really close to it, but I wouldn't doubt it. That's it for this video. Like, subscribe, favorite if you're new. Hopefully you catch you in the other videos. And thanks for watching, and hopefully you have no bad weather in your town.